For a while, people were buying less hardwood furniture, but these days we're actually seeing an increase in interest in hardwood furniture in the home. So today we're going to go over the 5 benefits of hardwood furniture. First up on the list, at number 1, strength and durability. Solid hardwood furniture is extremely strong and durable. It also requires little to no maintenance. Most solid hardwood furniture out there is generally made of hardwoods, like oak, maple, or walnut, for example. These trees are known to withstand extreme conditions and last hundreds of years, making them very durable and strong. The second benefit to solid hardwood furniture is easy maintenance. It doesn't take a lot of maintenance to keep your solid wood furniture looking great. Wiping down your furniture with a wood cleaner like Murphy's Oil, that's my personal favorite. Growing up, when we moved into one of our homes as a family, we ripped up all the carpet and there was this beautiful hardwood underneath. And we use Murphy's Oil exclusively to kind of restore it and keep it, looking nice. And so, yeah, that scent right there is a very kind of nostalgic smell for me, that lemony sort of scent. All right, in at number 3 is the unique natural beauty of solid hardwood. You'll see unique characteristics that you won't see in veneer or wood solid products, such as knots, grain, variations in color. These natural imperfections do not take away from the structural integrity and only add to the beauty of the solid hardwood. Our fourth and arguably one of our major benefits of solid hardwood is the refinishing options. You won't be able to do that with anything in veneer, but with solid hardwood it's very easy to sand it down and refinish it, renew it, and make it your own again. Finishing up our list of the 5 benefits, at number 5 is the lifetime value of solid hardwood furniture. Unlike the veneer, plastic, or particle board alternatives, solid hardwood furniture lasts you potentially a lifetime. It's heirloom quality. You can pass it down, you can refinish it, you can resell it. It may cost more up front, but in the long run, it pays for itself. So that finishes up our list of the 5 benefits of solid hardwood furniture. Before you go, check out the description below. There's some links for the Murphy's Oil, which I highly recommend. It smells amazing. And also another link where you can get connected with one of our interior designers and they can go over more benefits and details of solid hardwood for you.